What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today we are going to unwrap a rare plant. Let's check it out. Alright, let's rip this Logees box open and see how well they packed it. I'm always skeptical about different companies and how they pack stuff because it's always wildly different, and sometimes it just leaves your plants like flat out like beaten and dead. So hopefully this turns out well. Especially because this is the most expensive plant I've ever purchased. I can't wait till this thing gets bigger. This is what it looks like at its full size, and I hope to God I can bring this thing up to that because it looks incredible. This actually comes with unpacking instructions, but we're just going to throw this to the side and wing it. So far it's packed pretty well. It's nice and insulated. I did order this when it was still kind of winter, and they did include a heat pack, which is really cool. So they actually care and kind of make sure their plants make it alive. Alright, so here it is. It's actually quite big. I was kind of expecting only like 1 or 2 leaves because usually these plants, they kind of don't give you much for the money, but this one actually is pretty big. There's people online in these rare aeroid groups that'll sell you literally a wet stick for $200. Logees seems to do a pretty good job kind of containing all the soil. A lot of times when I order plants, the soil and stuff is everywhere, but they package it real nicely, so 1, it can keep moisture in so it doesn't dry out and die, and 2, there's not soil everywhere, so they did pretty well. The new growth is a little dinged up, but I'm sure it'll survive and be fine, and it's not dead from shipping, so I can nurse this baby back to health. I really do love the leaves on this thing though. They're super beautiful. They're kind of velvety, and I just cannot wait for them to get huge. They're a little small right now, but give me a few months and I think I can get some big ones out of it. In case you didn't infer from the title, this is a Philodendron Melanochrysm. Since we're already on the topic of philodendrons, I'm just going to show you one more that I forgot to show you guys in the past, and this is a Black Cardinal Philodendron. It's pretty darn cool looking, and it grows some pretty big leaves, so I really like it. So far it's doing pretty good. It's putting out new growth too. I really love the real red kind of burgundy growth color, and then it kind of turns this dark red kind of blackish color. Once this thing grows out a bit more, I might try and do some sort of propagating with it, but we'll see. Well guys, that pretty much sums up this video. It was quick, short, but I just wanted to show you kind of what to expect when ordering a plant from Logees. This is a pretty sought after plant, and now you can kind of see exactly what you get for the money because it is pretty expensive. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and as always, may your plants go strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.